Hey guys, Jason Schnitzer here with O.C Realtor Talk, and it's week 42 of this 2021 real estate market, and I'm here to talk about how's the real estate market out there. What's been going on in the last 7 days, activity-wise, are there any new trends, new laws, etc. We try to cover those in just a couple of minutes, so thanks for joining us. As always, let's talk about inventory. We're hovering right around here in Orange County, California, that 2,000 home mark. 373 new homes this last week came on the market, and 579 went pending in the last 7 days. That's kind of sticking to the trend that we've been seeing with, 1.5, almost double the amount of houses that are coming on the market are going off the market. Interest rates, about 3%. If you've been following us, you know that this has trended up about 1/4%, 3/8% since the middle of summer when we saw those rates in the 2 5/8, 2 3/4 area. Why is that? Why are we seeing rates go up? And why do I think rates are going to continue to go up? Well, the Fed has come out and acknowledged, hey, inflation is here and it looks like it's here to stay, which is not what they want. And really, it's just their job to keep inflation in check. So in their meetings that they have monthly, what the projection is that they're going to pull back on what's called QE, or quantitative easing, where the government is buying mortgage-backed securities, which basically affects supply and demand in that there is a lot more supply in people lending money. So what does that do? It causes interest rates to come down because there's less competition for the money out there to be borrowed. And, we've seen demand match that supply pretty much to the point where here we have inflation. So they're going to stop buying those mortgage-backed securities, which is going to mean only the people in the market are putting their own money in, if you will. So we're going to have less demand. And if the supply stays high, we could see interest rates start to creep up. Now, we're getting into some crystal ball stuff here, but they're projecting rates maybe to be in the mid-3s, low mid-3s going through 2022 and into 2023. The Fed are trying to, keep the market on its feet as it's been going. As I'm sure a lot of you have heard, the real estate market's been doing quite well. And they don't want to lose any of that if at all possible. So what can we expect, and where are the opportunities out there? Well, we can expect interest rates to not be at 3% for the rest of our time here. And where opportunities are is typically during this time of the year, we see less houses coming on the market and less active buyers in the market. And a lot of times we'll see a leveling off of price. In some cases, adjusting down in price. So for you buyers out there, you might be able to pick up on a deal where there aren't 10 other offers on. A lot of times. And then for the sellers, of course, you're putting your house on the market in a time where we've already seen the majority uptick in appreciation in the beginning of the year, so you're taking full advantage of those new prices. So it really is a win-win. A lot of people ask, why are people even buying now? Well, the thing is, this interest rate is why. That's a fixed rate for 30 years that won't change, so your payment will be exactly the same. When everything else goes up, you're going to be married to that 3% interest rate. So, and quite honestly, it makes a whole lot of sense, especially when you compare owning versus renting and the payments about where they're at. They're pretty darn close. So anyways, as always, we love to help you out with your guys' real estate portfolio. If you have any questions on how your house might stack up in today's 2021 real estate market, always happy to sit down and talk to you, do a free consultation with regards to, hey, should I sell now or wait? Or should I try to keep this property and buy another one? Is it time for me to buy a rental property? What do you think about a move up sale, a move down buy? All the above. We'd love to help you out. So feel free to reach out via our social media. Check us out on GaryandJason.com, and you can even book a free consultation on there. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next week. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this week's episode of O.C Realtor Talk. If you gained any value from this video, we'd really appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and followed us on all our social media platforms.
Yeah, what Jason and I believe is really, really important for you, whether you're buying a house or selling a house, is understanding the process and knowing exactly what you're getting into. So if you ever have any questions, just follow the links below.